It's the Boss, and we have Lukey Baby 02 and Skidor 3108, and we're inside Amelia. As you can see here, inside Amelia Earhart, and yeah, he's recording. There's my cousin just throwing his shit around, just throwing his stuff around like it's a piece of biscuits. Yes, biscuits with butter on it.
He's gonna fold it up, I guess.
I'm trying.
Yeah. So we have like the whole. Yeah, I guess.
So we're gonna keep going, and he just stole one of the crates. I'm probably gonna go get one later. Hey Luke, you know I'm recording. I can take pictures. Like, watch.
That's cool.
Let's keep going.
Yeah. I'm being really turn around because I can. Yeah.
Yeah.
I guess we're going over here. I don't know why.
I'm gonna jump to school. Now I'll make a video. Once I'm done record. Once we're about to jump. Anyway, see you guys next time from It's the Boss, Lukey Baby 02, and Skidor 3108. I'll record. I'm about to jump the fence. Goodbye.
I'm gonna